Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is again the fire prevention, the part number 4 I think, or 3rd, I don't remember, but it is very important for you guys to remember what is the importance of fire prevention on the sites. So let me discuss some basic points to prevent fire. You have to have proper housekeeping on the sites or on the working facilities. How you can maintain your sites? Number 1, waste products, all kind of waste materials in regard to asbestos materials or any chemical substances or anything like that. You shall be removed from the working site at regular intervals. I mean, in a regular succession of the days, you have to stand the rust about to clean your working environment, and you clean your waste product from the sites at the end of each work day. Whenever you have the end of the shift, you just have to check properly that all the waste product from the site is cleaned up already, just to avoid fire ignition, right? The second point is storage of combustible materials shall not be allowed underneath buildings or stairways. I mean, you should not use stairways in a confined space or in any building to keep your firefighting equipment. This is very important. Okay? And number 3rd point is outside storage area. Wherever you keep combustible materials, you have to make sure that all that particular area is absolutely clean after the regular intervals. You have to make it clean in every interval, in every shift, after 8-hour shift or after 10-hour shift, right? So you have to check it thoroughly. And lastly, you have to use metal dustbins or metal bins actually with close fitting lids shall be provided and used for disposal of oil rags, oil spills and all kind of wood shavings, so that you can easily dispose of all these waste from the sites without triggering any sort of fire. So this is very important point also. So as far as housekeeping is concerned, this is very important aspect to prevent all site of fire ignition on the sites. So housekeeping must be in a proper way. So lastly, inspections of fire extinguisher shall be performed on monthly basis by SAPO, that is a Saudi Aramco proponent organization, okay, in regulation with GI General Instructions 1781.001. You have to maintain this regulation. If there is no member of SAPO present in your working site, then as a third party, it is your responsibility to arrange a team of inspection from your own organization and go for the regular inspection per month. So you have to take care of these things. And secondly, during inspections, you need to check thoroughly that your extinguisher, your firefighting equipment must be intact, their tags are properly labeled, and there will be no corrosion, there will be no damage on the firefighting equipment, and all firefighting equipment are in a proper place or in a approachable place of a good physical condition. If you see is there any damage on any portable fire extinguisher, you have to go for the you have to generate a report in regards with replacing of that particular equipment. You have to go to replace that equipment if you find any damage or any thing like that. So if you find everything clear, if you find all the equipment in a proper place or with up-to-date inspection, you have to simply put the tags on that. Up-to-date tags. You have to use up-to-date tags after completion of your inspection. This is very important as a safety officer. So this is all for today's class, which was in regards with housekeeping is very important in fire prevention. So this was the last chapter of fire prevention. So inshallah, see you in the next class. Thank you very much.